White sauce pasta. First take a pan, add butter. When butter melt, add a tablespoon all-purpose flour. Mix well until it color change. First subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. When flour completely mixed with butter, add 1 cup milk. Mix well until it's completely mixed and no lumps in it, and it become thick. Then add cheese in it and mix. Then add spices: 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1-2 teaspoon black pepper, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon chili flake, and mix herbs, grated some jaful. For more videos in my channel, watch my videos, like and share also. Mix them well. Hope you all like my videos. Don't forget to subscribe. Now add 2 cup boiled macaroni and mix well. On top you add 1/4 teaspoon white pepper and garnish with coriander leaves. Enjoy white sauce pasta. Allah Hafiz.